Hello and welcome to your English language class. Today in this class we will be taking up the remaining portion of verbs present tense. Now we've already done till page number 58. So let's take this using the present continuous tense. So basically where all do we use the present continuous tense form of verb? The present continuous tense is used firstly to refer to a continuing action. Okay, like for example, she is talking to her teacher. So right now she is doing something, and what is that? She is talking to her teacher. Okay, I am writing a letter. So what am I doing? Currently, what am I doing right now? I am writing a letter. Okay, so something is being done, and it is a continuing action. It is still going on. Okay, I haven't finished writing a letter. I am still writing a letter. Secondly, to refer to a definite future action or event when you are quite sure about the future event to happen. Like for example, he is going out of town tomorrow. So he hasn't gone yet. He will be going tomorrow, but we are sure that he will be going tomorrow. So we can say the same thing in present continuous tense, like he is going out of town tomorrow. Okay, and Bijain and Sheila are going for the summer camp in Kathmandu. So that also we can write in the present continuous tense form. Thirdly, to refer to a future plan, like for example, Aruna is planning to buy a gift for her mother. अरुणा प्लान कर रही है अपनी मदर के लिए एक गिफ्ट खरीदने के लिए. ओके. Secondly, on the second example is our school is hosting the national sports meet next month. Okay. So basically it's a future event. It will be happening in the future, but it's a future plan. Okay. So whenever you are planning something for the future, you can always write it in a present continuous form. Now let's take this exercise. Complete the following sentences with the present continuous forms of the verbs given in brackets. Mention the role played by each sentence. One has been done for you. Okay. Now first sentence is the teachers dash expect their students to do their best in the examinations. So the teachers are expecting their students to do their best in the examinations, and this is a prediction. Okay. Now next sentence is Dinesh dash practice hard for his swimming competition. So Dinesh is practicing hard for his swimming competition. So this is a continuing action. Okay. Third sentence is we dash move to the new house next week. So we are moving to the next new house next week. That's a future event. Fourth sentence is my father dash meet the principal tomorrow. My father is meeting the principal tomorrow. Then this is again future event. I'm learning okay, I dash learn Spanish now. I am learning Spanish now. Okay. Okay, this is also a continuing action. It is, maybe it's not happening presently, but it is an ongoing action. Okay, so you can write continuing action here. Six sentences. Mr. Mukherjee dash teach English to our class. Mr. Mukherjee is teaching English to our class. This is again continuing action. Seven sentences. She dash talk to her mother now. She is talking to her mother now. Okay, continuing action. Eighth is new opportunities dash wait for those who work hard. New opportunities are waiting for those who work hard. Okay. The simple present and the present continuous tense denote a specific time of action. Each tense gives us definite information about the time of action of a verb. Therefore these tenses cannot be used interchangeably. So simple present tense का एक अलग टाइम फ्रेम होता है और present continuous tense का अलग टाइम फ्रेम होता है. Do not get confused एंड इट कैनॉट बी यूज्ड इंटरचेंजेबली, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कर सकते आप कि जहाँ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस आना था वहाँ पे आपने सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज़ कर लिया एंड वाइस वर्सा. ओके, now read the following sentences carefully. George draws very well. This is simple present tense. ठीक है, it's a habitual thing. It's a maybe it's a characteristic of George that he can draw very well. So George draws very well. It's a simple present tense. He is drawing now. Okay, he is drawing now means he is drawing now. He is drawing right now. Okay, so this is present continuous tense. The first sentence in the simple present tense tells us about George's drawing abilities. Okay, the second sentence in the present continuous tense gives us information about an action being performed by George right now or at the time of speaking. जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है उससे हमें जॉर्ज की जो ड्राइंग एबिलिटीज़ है उनके बारे में पता चलता है, और सेकंड सेंटेंस में हमें ये पता चल रहा है कि जॉर्ज अभी जब हम बोल रहे हैं, जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, तब जॉर्ज क्या कर रहा है. ओके, सो दीज आर इंटायरली डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस. डू नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड and do not interchange these tenses. Since these two different tenses express two different timelines of action, they cannot be used interchangeably. Okay, यहाँ पे देखो अभी जॉर्ज क्या कर रहा है, अभी जॉर्ज ड्रॉ कर रहा है. अगर हम बात करें सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस की तो जॉर्ज की एबिलिटीज़ हैं दैट ही कैन ड्रॉ वेरी वेल. ओके, सो इसको आप इंटरचेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओके, जैसा जो सेंटेंस आपको दिया हुआ है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू यूज़ द टेंस अकॉर्डिंगली. नाउ हियर इज वन मोर एक्सरसाइज फॉर यू. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate forms of the verbs given in brackets. First is Seema dash comics. So Seema reads comics. Okay. Second is we dash watch the news right now. अब right now है, so we are watching the news right now. Listen, Dipali dash sing in the bathroom. Listen, Dipali is singing in the bathroom. Okay. Fourth is we dash our parents with household chores. We help our parents with household chores. Fifth, it's 7 a.m. and my brother dash make breakfast for me. It's 7 a.m. and my brother is making breakfast for me. देखो जहाँ पे आपको टाइम दिया हो या राइट नाउ लिखा हो, ठीक है, या ऐसा कुछ अगर सेंटेंस में है जिससे आपको समझ आ रहा है कि वो काम अभी हो रहा है, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल लिसन. अगर वो लिसन कह रही है तो इसका मतलब कि सुनो, दीपाली अभी गाना गा रही है बाथरूम में. ओके, सो हियर वील यूज प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. ओके. सिक्स्थ इज वी डैश क्लीन आवर क्लासरूम रेगुलरली. अब रेगुलरली की बात हो रही है, सो इट्स नॉट प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, इट्स सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. तो क्या लिखेंगे, वी क्लीन आवर क्लासरूम रेगुलरली. सेवेंथ इज आई डैश वॉक टूवर्ड्स द पार्क राइट नाउ. अब राइट नाउ अगेन, सो प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. आई एम वॉकिंग टूवर्ड्स द पार्क राइट नाउ. वेयर डैश यू. अब बी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लिखनी है तो इज एम आर में से क्या आएगा, वेयर आर यू. ओके, आई एम वॉकिंग टूवर्ड्स द पार्क राइट नाउ. वेयर आर यू. ओके. Now my sister dash play tennis usually, but right now she dash play football. My sister plays tennis usually, but right now she is playing football. Okay. And ninth is I dash swim every day, but today I dash want to sleep. So क्या आएगा, I swim every day, but today I want to sleep. Okay, I swim every day but today I want to sleep. इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है, जो ब्रैकेट में वर्ड हैं वही एज इट इज़ आएंगे, बिकॉज यहाँ पे शी इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरी डे. शी और ही whoever it is, he is talking about every day, so that's a regular kind of a thing. Okay, ये कोई अभी प्रेजेंट में या कोई ऐसे काम के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा है जो वो अभी right now he is doing something. Okay, so इसमें simple present tense आप use करेंगे. Okay, here's one activity given to you. Look at the map below and write 2 sentences each about any 5 countries, one about the characteristic of the country and another imagining what is happening in that country now. One has been done for you. Now this is the world map and you can pick any 5 countries of your choice. Okay, and you have to write 2 sentences about that country. Firstly, you can write about the characteristic of the country, and secondly you can write according to the time, that whether it's the morning time, afternoon or night in that country, in that particular country. Accordingly you can write that people may be having their lunch or dinner or breakfast. Okay, so one example is given here. Germany, people of Germany speak German and children there are eating their breakfast now. Okay, so basically first sentence will be in your simple present tense and secondly it will be in your present continuous tense. Okay, so just pick any okay, one country is already done for you, so you just have to pick 4 more countries out of this world map and you can write 2 sentences about that country. And just do all these exercises that we have done so far in present tense, and do all these exercises in your book as well as in your grammar notebook, and submit your homework by 3 o'clock tomorrow. And in the next class we will be taking up past tense. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.